All right, guys, today we're gonna make banana spring rolls. We're gonna top it with a black sesame pudding and a matcha green pudding. First off, let's grab our bananas, right? What I'm gonna do, just take my knife, score them down the sides, just release it. It's a little bit easy. We snip both ends. It's just super easy to peel this jacket off now. Roll that banana right out, okay? Equal parts cinnamon and sugar right here. We're just gonna coat these guys. We wanna get a nice even coat on this. This is really where all the flavor's gonna come and the moisture of the banana is gonna come out as well. We got our wrappers right here, store-bought wrappers, you can use them. We're gonna double them up though. We're gonna put 2 in here just to make sure we get a nice crisp coating. A little bit of warm water right here. Our finger goes down. We're just gonna go all the way from left to right on the edges, okay? Our banana is gonna go right in the center, right? Just gonna pick this up, tuck it in nice and tight, kind of press it right into the banana, and then fold it straight so we get a nice even roll, okay? Tuck the ends. Then I actually put a little bit of water right here on the top just to make sure we get a good even seal when we roll it straight, okay? Tuck it underneath, give it a quick press. All right, this guy's ready to roll. Next, these guys are gonna be ready for the pan fry, so we'll send them over. This matcha pudding and this black sesame pudding is already set up. We'll let that chill in our fridge for about 30 minutes. All right, guys, our cast iron's on the stove. The oil's at the direct temperature. Ready to do our banana spring rolls. We're gonna jump right into it. Best tip for it is just grab a little bit of water, just pop it in there. If you hear that pop back, you know the oil's at the right temperature. So we're gonna take our spring rolls, pop them in, and then just wave them away, just like that. We don't want to bring them back towards us because it'll fry and then it'll splash on us. Just like that. All right, guys, it's been about 3 minutes in the hot oil. The banana spring rolls are golden brown on each side. We're gonna pull them now, put them on a paper towel, let them rest, serve them nice and warm, okay? All right, guys, let's plate up our banana spring rolls, okay? Got 2 of them right out of the fryer, crispy on each side. We're gonna take them and cut them right on a 45, right down the center, so we see that great banana look, right? It's easy. We're gonna take first our matcha pudding. We're gonna put a nice big dollop right in the center. We're just gonna move it from left to right. Same thing on the other side with the black sesame pudding, okay? Just push it right next to it, all right? Now we're gonna take our spring rolls, we're gonna line them up, face up, just like that, so we see the great roll, give it a little texture, top it with a little bit of our mint crew, cinnamon sugar right on top. Serve this warm, enjoy. Thanks.